Shock and outrage have erupted in Bihar's Jehanabad district after a 70-year-old Muslim vegetable vendor, Mohsin Alam, was brutally beaten to death over just 5 rupees in toll money. The attack took place in the Kako area when Alam handed over 10 rupees instead of the 15 demanded by toll collector Vicky Patel. Enraged, Patel allegedly struck Alam on the head with a dumbbell, killing him instantly. Alam's young grandson, who witnessed the assault, said his grandfather pleaded that he had no money as he hadn't sold any vegetables yet. Following the killing, residents blocked the Jehanabad-Ekangasrai highway in protest, only dispersing after police assured strict action. Patel, reportedly close to BJP leaders, remains on the run as police conduct raids to arrest him. Congress MP Imran Pratapgarhi slammed the Bihar government, calling the incident real Jungle Raj and demanded accountability. The case has once again highlighted rising concerns about lawlessness, political links, and the safety of vulnerable communities in Bihar.